it comes to CUET, it gets even more complex because you don't know what they'll ask. If you go to our messages, ma'am, right now, you have sent me one question just in the morning. As I was telling you about my shift, and that exact question showed up in my shift. I can't really imagine if it wasn't for your channel and you, what would I do with economics? Because all of the different teachers, when it was announced, a micro ID, you know what they did? They just took their 11th wale lectures, they compiled it into a video and then posted it on YouTube, even on their personal paid lectures.
And then they'll be a little overconfident that, oh my God, we are good to go in eco, hame to sab aata hai, which will actually mislead them. So we have Ishan Nagpal today, who appeared in CUET 2025 examination, and he had economics as one of the subjects, one of the domain subjects. So I think today Ishan will shed some light ki Ishan kaise prepare kara.
Thank you so much for the greeting, ma'am. First of all, I would like to mention that I'm from Maharashtra State Board. So CUET economics was something completely different from me. And as many of you would know, the syllabus was changed on 1st of March. And I was head over heels. I was very confused. Ab kya hoga? Ab kaise karunga? But thankfully, I found CUET Mark channel just right in time. Ma'am was just starting out then. So I watched each one of her lectures and she very beautifully explained each line of NCERT, which no other teacher was doing at the time. If you go to her channel, you would find a lot of videos in where she's just, reading the NCERT. A lot of time I didn't feel motivated enough to study economics because you know how NCERT is. It gets repetitive and it gets boring. You get confused. So I just used to put on her lectures in the background and I used to read my NCERT and make notes. That was something really, it was the fun part of the day for me. Because doing mocks and doing everything else was pretty boring and time consuming. This was the fun part of the day for me. So it have really helped me, gain my interest for economics also, apart from just helping me with economics in general. And as a subject, economics sure is very complex. And when it comes to CUET, it gets even more complex because you don't know what they'll ask.
Yeah.
They can ask anything from the entire NCERT. So your concepts have to be as strong as your theory, which is what Surabhi ma'am really focused on. She took our lectures on, that sentence rearrangements in which you had to rearrange the order of events.
Questions.
Sequence-based questions. Sorry, I got confused with that. And she also took our lectures on numericals separately. Also took our lectures on, the theory part, the confusing theory part. She also used to take live lectures in which there were 20 questions each. Me, before going to the center, I personally rewatched that 20 questions of every chapter just before going to the center while I was in the cab. So that one really, really helped me. In fact, if you go to our messages, ma'am, right now, you have sent me one question just in the morning. As I was telling you about my shift, and that exact question showed up in my shift.
Oh my God.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. You can see my set. It was 26th May shift 2, and that exact same question was there. So that just, comments that you have the experience of that exam. Like certain times we were, very notorious. We were chatting in the live chats. Not me, but like many of us. And in that, you used to get angry. That just shows how much a teacher cares for his students. And one of those moments is what I'll remember from my preparation. I was sitting right here at my desk, preparing for CUET and watching your live lectures. And looking back at it, it really helped. If I was to show you my background right now, which I can't, it's all over. Here is economics charts. I've written demand and supply here. I've written elasticity of demand over here. So apart from the teacher, you as a student have to be really true to yourself. You have to really be indulged in your studies. That's how you can make it. After the exams also, you were there with us. You were sharing, Excel workshops and just different kinds of, on your Instagram, you were sharing different kinds of skill that we could learn while in this time. And that also was really important because that again just goes to shows how connected you as a teacher are with the students. So yes, on the motivating part during the studies, yes, because during the live lectures we often feel lazy because the speed is matching. But again, with the spaced questions, like you used to explain the concept first and then the questions, that made it exciting. Because even if I was bored in the concept part, which economics can get pretty boring at times, you would also like doing.
I agree.
So I used to wait for the question, and that used to be the reward for me. Okay, if I watch this 40 minutes of lecture, I'll solve these 10 minutes of question and get a motivation boost.
No,
So
because
that
I
really,
used to do it. No, somebody who's scoring 20 on 20, I'll call out your name,
yes,
everybody will
yes,
clap for you. So that was because I knew. So what happens is, even for a teacher, it is not easy, trust me, to read line by line of NCERT. That too in front of a blank screen,
true.
camera on, you truly get bored. What are you doing? मतलब दो लाइन के बाद लगता है चलो skip करते हैं नीचे जाता है फिर लगता है नहीं जिसको नहीं आता होगा you have to read it all. Similarly with the content, I know कि ये मैं पढ़ा चुकी हूँ. So I knew कि students जाएंगे, but I know वो question में आएंगे. I was working on those questions. Like I worked entire day to create level of questions in such a way कि तुम्हें actual exam में help हो. And I'm so
Yes.
happy. It finally paid off so well. Looking at you
It,
guys, talking to you all, and understanding. You know, sometimes a teacher, when teaching online, they feel they don't, get the hold of the impact that they are creating. Sometimes it's not there. They are not aware. They may be creating a larger impact, but they are not aware. But when I talk to you all, and I feel, oh no, yes, I did something right, at least something, but I did it right. So that's my goal. And even with your juniors, I really wish to create an impact much before than I could do it for you all. So let's see how
you
it
you
goes.
really did. Yes, you really did. For my juniors, if I were to say one specific piece of advice, you guys have a lot of time compared to us who had just, 1.5 or 2 months to prepare. Just go through CUET mark, just, mug up the entire lectures. I would like to use the word mug up here because the questions were really, apt because to the difficulty of the paper. I
Yes.
took a lot of mocks, even though you said not to, but
Yeah, that's fine.
I was just overthinking, but I took a lot of mocks. I have it on my screen right now. I used to do an Excel sheet. If you can give me a minute, I'll show you that, or I can send it to you
Yeah,
afterwards.
yeah, it's okay. You show it here. I'm more than
Okay.
happy.
So this is a software which you might be aware of. It's called Notion,
Yeah.
and use this for note taking, poetry, and everything else. So I have a specific page right here. It's called mock results, and just wait for a second for it to load. I have written over here. You will see right here.
Oh my God.
This is what goes behind. Because as a student, I was forever stressed. Even you would know, I used to
Yeah,
message you a
yeah.
lot with my doubts and everything. So
Yeah.
this is how I used to keep myself sane.
Oh my God.
If you see, here is economics right here.
Yes.
And I have written each one of my mock scores. My first mock, I believe it was in May or July, and I scored just 91 marks out of 200.
Yeah.
It was
What
20,
what about
21
the
for,
last what about the last economics mock you gave?
let's get to there. It was 238 out of 250, and I've scored a fair amount of 250s as well. This
Wow.
was mock number 48, and this is all distinct mocks, right? It's no,
Yeah.
I'm not repeating any mocks. This as like a track record of myself, what I'm doing. Whenever
Yeah.
I used to feel, demotivated. I used to look back at this and I used to think, wow, you have done this far, you can do a little more. So kind of
Right.
push myself. And here is a summary table of the cumulative marks. So before it used to be
Oh.
of 800, so I used to take scores out of 800, and now 1000 wale bhi niche hai. So I did that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. I think a good
This is
tracker of your performance.
this is something what students can do. And I also have a page right here. It's called Weak Spots CUET 2025.
Okay.
So it navigates me to another page wherein I've just written the weak spots. Like for me, national income was a weak spot. I used to forget the
Okay.
formulas for this.
Yeah.
It's a silly thing, but yes. So something like this can really, really help.
As I told you, that economics mocks as a tracker of your performance. So you can only track your performance through the kind of mocks that somebody is making based on previous years. But
Yes.
nobody knows what is going to come in 50% of the syllabus has changed. And
Yes.
somehow I could get hold of a few different mocks and I could see the level, and I was very sure that more than half of the students will be able to score 235 to 250. And then they'll be a little overconfident that, oh my God, we are good to go in eco, hame to sab aata hai, which will actually mislead them. So
This happened with me
which is why
actually.
I was telling you guys to not attempt a lot of mocks at that particular moment. Yeah.
See, for me, I started attempting mocks in June, which was early, but because I'm from Maharashtra board, I was just, really overthinking it. Will I be able to do it? Just an entirely
Yeah.
different
Yeah.
syllabus.
Fair
Because
enough.
there is a lot of difference. If you know anyone from Maharashtra, he would tell you that there is a lot of
Yeah.
difference. I was attempting mock from June, and therefore I was able to attempt this much. If I look back at it, for economics, it didn't really help.
Hmm.
Because firstly, for the first 6 months, I was attempting mocks of Indian eco as well.
Yeah.
So
So okay.
it all
Fair enough.
went to wing. So
Correct.
NDA
Correct.
is unpredictable.
Yeah. It
But
is. I am scared that if I make a book for micro and macro. What if it suddenly changes? I still
What if
remember I
what
gave
if
a draft of my book to the publisher. I was supposed to come out with the book, and the next very day I'm texting him, stop. And just stop with this process. We'll continue in the next year. Stop with this process because 50% has changed. And I can't put in any question without getting to know what level of questions are coming, even though I could predict. But I didn't want to be, that overconfident zone mein mujhe nahi jana tha. But I don't know, this NTA and unpredictability. I'm very scared if I do something right now, publish it, and what if they change it again? So I'm thinking of including IB, micro, macro, all three.
but
जो आ जाए NTA
even
कर दे वो ले लेना.
yes, but even with all of the unpredictability that NTA possesses, in that short amount of time, you manage to entirely make a new channel from scratch
Yeah.
and all new students, and you also built a community on Telegram.
It was, see, I made a separate channel because I wanted ki Equipoise had a lot of things. If those of
Yes.
who don't know, I had other channel, which is actually 250,000 something. And it was a huge risk for me. But then I wanted to take this risk, a dedicated community I wanted to make for economics, competitive exams, and so on and so forth. I just wanted to do it. I'm so happy that it helped you all. I'm actually very,
It
very
did.
happy.
I can't really imagine if it wasn't for your channel and you, what would I do with economics? Because all of the different teachers, when it was announced ki a micro aayegi, you know what they did? They just took their 11th wale lectures, they compiled it into a video and then posted it on YouTube, even on their personal paid lectures. I didn't purchase any paid lectures, to be honest, but a lot of my friends did. And they were saying the same thing. They are just putting out, 11th class notes, 11th class lectures, so it's not really helping them. So yes, in the end, we all had to study from your channel.
No, this is a wonderful experience. Thank you so much for connecting, Ishan, and thank you so much for guiding your juniors so well. Take care. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Bye bye.